Welcome to the Game Audio Resource WiseCube 2019 Audio Implementation Guide Series. This guide will overview how to add a new surface type for Footsteps. Please ensure you have completed Part A and B of Chapter 7's guides before starting this chapter guide steps. In this step we will add new material types to Wwise, Pebbles and Undergrowth. In the Wwise Project Explorer, change to the Game Syncs tab. Under Switches, Default Work Unit Material, copy any material type, e.g. concrete, then paste it into the same hierarchy location twice. Rename the two new switches individually Pebbles and Undergrowth. Return to the Audio tab. Navigate to the Footstep_human_player hierarchy down to the sequence containers. Copy one sequence container, e.g. concrete, then paste it twice into the same hierarchy location. Rename the two sequence containers individually Pebbles, then Undergrowth. Add audio assets into each sequence container for the Footstep type. Assign the playlist with the new audio assets, placing silence after each one. Now assign the new sequence container to the material switch. Save your Wwise project updates and generate the sound banks. In this step, we will assign two new audio material types to two unique texture tiles. Navigate your local directory to the default_map_settings file. In this file, find texture _0 AARD/AARD_grass_1.jpg. Change the entry line to texture material _0 AARD/AARD_grass_1.jpg quotation, then space, quotation, undergrowth, quotation. Now search for this texture tile, ground_cobbles128.jpg. Change the entry line in the list to texture material _0 quotation IK2K/IK_ground_cobbles128.jpg quotation space quotation pebbles quotation. Save the file updates and close the file. The two new material types will now work in game. Load the map DRIANMP3. Then locate the Undergrowth texture tile in the map. Keep an eye on the Wwise profiler to confirm all is working correctly. We are now at a point where we suggest to fully update the default_map_settings file using all Wwise materials that we have set up, as mentioned in Chapter 7a and b. As you change each line to have an associated audio material type, you can view what the texture tile looks like by searching the tile name in this location on your local drive, cube/cube/packages. Also ensure you have tagged water tiles as mentioned in Chapter 7b. If you do not have the time to update all the data, we have provided a default_map_settings link at the start of the guide that has most of the material types assigned. Note the material types we have used are concrete, grass, gravel, metal, pebbles, sand, stone, tile, undergrowth, water and wood. We cannot guarantee a straight drop-in of this file will work on your build, so it is advised that you use the file as reference to update your local copy. Finally, we can do a full test of all data updates for Footsteps that we have added. Boot up the game, then connect Wwise, and change to the Wwise profile layout. Move the player character around various maps, moving over as many different texture tiles as possible. If you see a missing material error pop up in the Wwise profiler, use Chapter 7a to C guides to fix the issue. Once you are happy with all your updates, save your Wwise project updates, then generate the sound banks. Finally, run a quick Wwise integrity report to validate no errors have occurred. You now know how the material tech works with texture tiles. The next two parts in this chapter will focus on enemy footsteps.